What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. After we hit all-time highs on gold, 2500 odd levels, which is such a massive level, right? What do we expect in this specific week? Let's quickly find that out. Now, as usual, DXY, we expected that we will see some reactions from here, and if we don't break above this, we will remain bearish overall. That's pretty much what we have got, and let's quickly delete these drawings. Now, what's interesting is even now on a weekly time frame we have failed to close below this, right, which is now slightly tricky to understand what exactly is DXY up to, because we have fair value gap right below this, from where I am personally expecting good reactions, this level to be specific. So maybe something like this, but a pullback is expected on DXY. Could even be a sweep of this. We would not know unless and until price action develops here. So my bias is very simple. I am expecting a continuation, but maybe with the possibility that we might form a bottom very soon on DXY. Could it be this week? That we cannot assure as of now. So let's take a look on pound dollar. Now pound dollar, as we expected in this break of structure on the upside, price retraced exactly to the 50% and started to move higher. Now right here at this specific level, let me get rid of this. Right here at this specific level is my bearish order block. So what I'm expecting is at least some sort of rejection on a daily time frame here, and maybe just one more tap into this, and then maybe it can decide to fly further or drop further. It is up to the real-time price action, right? But as of now, I am definitely expecting a continuation at least until this specific level, post which we can plan our trades according to the price action, right? So that's pretty much it. I don't think we have anything else on pound dollar as of now. To refine it further, you can even target this imbalance right here. So yeah, pretty much we will get good continuations, and then maybe a small short opportunity into this, small or big, that time can tell. Euro USD for some reason looks pretty bullish. We have managed to break above this, which is a very good sign, very healthy sign. Now what do we expect? So we have this large wick right here, which I am sure that euro would want to test. So approximately 50% of that range, we should continue up to that, and then maybe expect some sort of pullbacks, right? Let's go on a daily time frame. If we have something to filter, let's go on a 4-hour. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Our buy side imbalance come to this point, which also happens to be the 50%. So we'll just keep our eyes out for a bearish reaction from this specific level, and then maybe as price action develops, we can plan our trade accordingly, right? Overall, bullish to potentially bearish week is what I can picture. And finally, we have gold hit all-time highs, mad price action, very bullish. So there's one specific thing I am expecting personally, that we can top out very soon. Maybe 20-25 odd levels, maybe 25-50-80 odd levels, but there's a very strong possibility inside 2500 and 2600 we might actually top out on gold and then start correcting down further. Now if tomorrow or maybe Tuesday we form any sort of doji candle, or we break structure on a 4-hour time frame, there's a very strong possibility we can see some correction down on gold, because now that all-time highs have been hit, the bias of every person will be bullish. So a reaction, a pullback is pretty much expected in my opinion. Now let's decode this. In the recent range, which is this, we have this price action developed, which we just broke out on Friday, right? So now my failed levels would be this, and would be 2600 odd levels, and 2680, which I don't think will immediately hit this week, so let's not mark that. Go on a 4-hour time frame and see what do we have. So point number 1, our recent breakup structure happened right here, which means my higher low is right here. I've made a detailed view on this same how to mark the structure correctly on Twitter. I'll make sure to link it in the description below. Make sure you check it out. So right here we have this recent breakup structure on the upside. So as long as on a 4-hour time frame gold is protecting 2438, overall we do seem bullish. However, if we have another breakup structure on the upside, then that specific higher low will be of much more importance, right? So my expectation is somewhat like this, or maybe worst case we hit this high, but overall I'm expecting we might be breaching this, remain sideways for a few days and then correct big time. This is just my anticipation based on time analysis, which is suggesting me that a top is near. I don't know how real, how valid this point could be, but I will definitely keep my eyes out on this. So make sure you follow me on Twitter and Telegram so I can keep you guys updated as price action develops. So as of now, that's pretty much what we are observing. Just buy on dip and then a potential chance to be bearish. Not really sure, but just a potential chance. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the analysis helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.